Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to find quadratic equations, exercise 5.3. In that ninth problem, that is, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So in this problem, we need to find time taken by the each tap when they are going to fill the separately. So first of all, they gave the information, that is, two taps can fill the tank in 9 3/8 hours. 9 3/8 hours. It means we can convert this one as improper fractions. So 75/8 hours. So in the problem they gave one condition, that is, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. See, when we find time taken by the smaller one, automatically we will get time taken by the larger one. So that only here I am considering time taken by the smaller one will be x hours, and then we will get time taken by the larger one will be x minus 10 hours. See, first thing, time taken by the two taps to fill the water tank is equal to 9 3/8 hours. 9 3/8 hours means 75/8 hours. 75/8 hours. Next, we need to find time taken by the each tap when they are going to fill the tank separately. So let the time taken by smaller one is equal to x hours. Then time taken by the larger tap is equal to x minus 10 hours. X minus 10 hours. How could I write this one? According to problem, I wrote this one. Now, to completely fill the tank, here I assumed x hours. At that time taken by the larger tap will be x minus 10 hours according to the problem. So coming to our basis, total time taken by the two taps to fill the tank is 75/8 hours. At the time, part of the tank filled by these two taps in 1 hour will be 1/75/8. Part of the tank filled by two taps in 1 hour is equal to 1/75/8. Like that only here, time taken by the smaller one is x hours, and then part of the tank filled by the smaller one will be 1/x. Time taken by the larger tap is x minus 10 hours, and then part of the tank filled by the larger tap in 1 hour will be 1/x minus 10 hours. Coming to our basis, for our basis, we can write as 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 1/75/8. This can be written as 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. Why did I write like this? Here, this is the time taken by the smaller one. This is the time taken by the larger one. This is the time taken by the both taps. But here, what is the part of the tank filled in 1 hour? Coming to our basis, part of the tank filled by the smaller one will be 1/x. Part of the tank filled by the larger one will be 1/x minus 10. So here I mentioned plus. It means both. So that only here 1/75/8 we will get. So reciprocal we need to take. So we will get 8 by 75. Now take LCM. X into x minus 10. So here we will get x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. Now 2x minus 10, x minus 10 plus x. So 2x minus 10, x square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Now do cross multiplication. So 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. X square minus 10x. Now we will get 75 twos. 150x minus 750. 75 into 2x, 150x minus 75 into 10, 750 is equal to 8x square minus 10 into 8, 80x. Now this can be written as 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now it will be 8x square minus 80 plus 150, 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. By using 2 table, if I take 2 is common, we will get 4x square minus 115x plus 350 of 750 by 2. So here we will get 375. Next, see here, by using formula we can find roots of a quadratic equation, or else by using factorization we can find roots of a quadratic equation. We can find roots by using factorization, or else we can find roots by using formula method. Now take factorization. Take first term and last term. 375 into 4x square. So what will you get? We will get 4 5s are 20, 2, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30, 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Here we got 1500. Now 1500 x square we got. When we take first term and last term, we need to multiply. So the product is 1500 x square. When we multiply two terms, so product should be equal to 1500 x square. When we add those two terms, sum should be equal to minus 115x. Here sum is minus, product is plus. So that only two terms should be negative numbers only. Minus into minus plus. When you add minus and minus, you will get minus only. Isn't it? Minus 2, minus 3. You are going to add, we will get minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 3. You are going to multiply, we will get plus 6. Like that only here. 1500 x square, when we multiply, we need to get, when we add those two terms, we need to get minus 115x. So if you take prime factors for this one, we will get 1500 by using 2. Like that we need to take here, we can write 100x and 15x. 115 sir, 1500, product is 1500. X into x square. So both we need to give minus. Why I have to give minus? For the both the terms, when I give minus only, we will get minus 115x. Minus into minus plus only. Minus 100x plus of minus 15x. We will get minus 115x. Now here minus 115x we can write as 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. From these two things I can take 4x is common. When I take 4x is common, we will get here x minus 25. From these two things take minus 15 is common. At that time we will get x minus 25 is equal to 0. Now once again x minus 25 is common. So x minus 25 into 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now x minus 25 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25 or 4x is equal to 15. Now here we can get x is equal to 15 by 4. See here. Here x is equal to 15 by 4. Here x is equal to 25. Both are positive only. At that time you may have the doubts. Which thing we need to take? X is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15 by 4. Here 15 by 4 is smaller value. So suppose when you consider x is equal to 15 by 4 hours be the time taken by the smaller one. So coming to the time taken by the larger tap will be x minus 10. So 15 by 4 minus 10, that value is less than 0. So ours won't be less than 0. So that only here we won't consider x is equal to 15 by 4. We need to consider x is equal to 25 only. Why we need to consider x is equal to 25 only? Why can't we consider x is equal to 15 by 4? It is smaller value. So that only we should not consider here. Therefore, time taken by smaller tap, smaller one is equal to 25 hours. Next, time taken by larger one is equal to 25 minus 10, 15 hours. See here, check this one.